Number 1. Lightboxer Bundle. Lightboxer is an amazing tool since it's like having a personal trainer and boxing ring in your own home. Its LED runaway light tells you when and where to punch. Lightboxer has a force sensor that tracks your power and accuracy. Plus, it has uppercut pad for additional punch zone. It comes with interactive display that has just below the uppercut pad for trainer LED workouts or quick challenges. There's no need to look at the screen. During your challenges, you got to do is follow the LEDs run away and listen to the music. Lightboxer for anyone, any age and any fitness level. Number 2. Peloton Bike Plus. The Bike Plus is the latest and greatest Peloton indoor cycle with more features. Bike Plus is an attractive machine with a small footprint and a big beautiful touchscreen that can rotate, which means you can more easily participate in off-bike classes like weight training, yoga and even meditation. Another feature is auto-follow, in which the class instructor controls the bike pedaling resistance level so you don't have to constantly fiddle with the knob. It also supports for Apple Gym Kit that pair Apple Watch and get real-time heart rate reading during classes. You can pick a class based on the length, based on your skill level. You can even choose what style of music that you like. Ultimate bike that combine both cardio and strength to bring us the most incredible workout. Number 3. SKG F5 Massage Gun. The SKG F5 Massage Gun is the world's first fascia gun with a hot compress function that helps warm your muscle before your workout. It is a device to relieve muscle stiffness and pain. It's light and portable and weight is only 300 grams, so you can always take it with you. SKG F5 has 4-speed frequencies conversion with up to 3200 RPM. It has enough power to provide deep muscle relaxation. You can easily massage shoulders, legs, or back and achieve maximum muscle relaxation. SKG F5 has 3 types of massage heads in order to meet the relaxation needs for different parts of body. It has 3 levels of intensity indicated by different color of LEDs light. Number 4. Smart Skipping Rope. Smart Rope is an LED embedded jump rope that works with your smartphone, creating an anytime anywhere fitness experience. Smart Rope displays jump data right before your eyes, creating a truly immersive workout experience. The rope is positioned at a 45-degree angle to the handle to encourage effortless natural motion. Smart Rope is designed by 10 grams. To create a connected workout, Smart Rope can link to the Smart Gym app via Bluetooth, and it also tracks stats like calories burned, time elapsed and goal reached. You can even connect with friends for extra motivation or to spark your competition jumping. It's lightweight and easy to fold up, so it's especially great for travel at home, outside or wherever you have space to get an easy, effective workouts. Number 5. Board 30 Mini. A dynamic and affordable workout for burning fat, improving flexibility, building strength and endurance for a stronger. This board can fit in any room and allows every kind of workout for every kind of person. This compact piece of equipment has built-in resistive bands, handles and ankle straps in the wooden platform that can be used in your strength training routine. It can get full body workouts including cardio in just 2 feet of space and 30 minutes or less. Number 6. Whoop Strap 4.0. It is a device that collects your data non-stop, designed to be worn 24/7. Whoop 4.0 is lightweight and minimal, so nothing gets in the way of snatch, swing or strike. It is a smaller, smarter and designed with new biometric tracking, including skin temperature, blood oxygen and more. It can be wear it in anywhere, help to wake up at optimal time. The only wearable that's truly wearable. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, so you can wirelessly charge your 4.0 even while in the shower, and its battery life is multi-day. It met with Bluetooth capability. broadcast your heart rate onto BLE compatible device including bags, rower and more. Woof 4.0 is 33% smaller than the 3.0 but met with an even more powerful sensor configuration. Number 7. Bowflex Select Test Dumbbell. If you are serious about building muscle and getting toned, Bowflex Select Test Dumbbell is the world #1 selectorized dumbbell with the turn of a dial. You can easily adjust from 5 to 52 pounds and rapidly switch from one exercise to the next, performing an unlimited variety of full body exercise. Tone your arms with bicep curls, strengthen your leg with lunges, and add power to your chest with presses. The options are limitless. It comes with 552 stand, which provide a convenient and space-saving platform for all of your exercise. Number 8. Promix Rechargeable Vortex Mixer. It is the most advanced outdoor protein shaker bottle in the world. No more lumps, no more leaks, no more sacking. The #1 shaker bottle choice for professional athletes. This gadget is the must-have gadget for all health and fitness enthusiasts. It is great for protein shakes, pre-workout, BCAAs, meal replacement powders, scrambled eggs, pancake mix or even mixing baby formula. It can use up to 20 mix on a single charge.